Tired of endless scrolling and ready to turn your online time into real money? Let's unlock the secrets to making serious cash with the Temu affiliate program. First, head over to Temu and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the affiliate program link, usually in the About Temu section, and click on it. This will take you to the affiliate program overview page. Now, you'll need to sign up, fill out the application form with accurate information, including your name, email address, and website or social media links. Be honest about your reach and audience, as this will help Temu understand your potential. Once approved, welcome to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find a vast selection of products to promote, along with your unique affiliate links and commission rates. Familiarize yourself with the layout. It's your command center. Time to promote. Share your affiliate links on your social media platforms. Create engaging content showcasing your favorite Temu finds, or write blog posts reviewing products. Variety is key to reaching a wider audience. Level up your promotions by creating eye-catching visuals. Use tools like Canva to design stunning graphics featuring Temu products and your affiliate links. Compelling visuals grab attention and drive clicks. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters featuring curated Temu product selections and exclusive deals using your affiliate links. Consider building a website or blog dedicated to reviewing and recommending Temu products. This allows you to create in-depth content and establish yourself as a trusted source of information, driving consistent traffic and sales. Remember to track your results, monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings in your Temu affiliate dashboard. Analyze what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. Continuous optimization is crucial for maximizing your income. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. The Temu affiliate program offers a fantastic opportunity to monetize your online presence and earn passive income. Now get out there and start promoting.